Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious black bean hummus. This simple recipe is a fantastic alternative to traditional chickpea hummus, offering a rich, earthy flavor. We'll start by gathering our key ingredients, ensuring everything is prepped and ready for blending. You'll be amazed at how quickly this comes together, providing a healthy and flavorful dip for any occasion. Let's get started on this easy and satisfying culinary journey. Now that we have all our ingredients ready, it's time for the magic to happen in your food processor or high-speed blender. Simply add the rinsed black beans, fresh lime juice, minced garlic, tahini, and olive oil. Don't forget the cumin, along with a pinch of salt and pepper to enhance the flavors. Blend everything until it reaches a wonderfully smooth and creamy consistency. This step is crucial for achieving that perfect hummus texture. After blending, it's time for the all-important taste test. Take a small spoonful and adjust the seasonings to your liking. You might want a little more fresh lime juice for an extra zing, or perhaps a touch more salt to bring out the flavors. If the hummus is too thick, simply add 1 or 2 tablespoons of water, a little at a time, until it reaches your preferred creamy texture. Now, it's ready to be enjoyed. Once you've enjoyed your freshly made black bean hummus, you might have some delicious leftovers. To keep it fresh, simply transfer it to an airtight container and store it in the refrigerator. It will stay wonderfully fresh for up to 5 days, making it perfect for meal prep. Before serving again, consider a fresh drizzle of olive oil and a sprinkle of paprika for an extra touch. This hummus is incredibly versatile and always a crowd pleaser.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.